You're like a circle that floats around me.
Hello lovies, this is Tess again and welcome to my channel. And I really wanted to thank you all so much sa support na binibigay po niyo sa akin sa lahat po ng aking videos or vlogs. And anyway, sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe, don't forget to click the subscribe button para makapag-subscribe na po kayo. And also don't forget to click the notification bell para every time na mag-upload po ako ng bagong video is manonotify po kayo. And anyways, for today's video, this is just a quick vlog, is that I am going to show you this contact lens that I am using. And I had purchased a new one and I'm going to show you. Ito, actually, nabuksan ko na po siya, so I'll show you. Ayan. This is from, I don't know if you can see this, is from eyeshare PH. Okay. So, ayan, binuksan ko na siya. Pero hindi ko pa po nabubuksan yung item. At has, I bought a 2 item, which is this one, is that a travel pack. I mean, a travel container para sa ating contact lens. I'll show you. Ayan. Ayan, so cute. You can see yung cute ang design niya. Yan. And then, this one. This is the brand of the contact lenses that I am using. And I decided to purchase the natural brown. So, here, as you can see, the brand is, yan, eyeshare. And then, as you can see here, the color of the contact lens is OMG brown. And as you can see here, nandito yung details. Nandito yung diameter and then yung expiration date. And the material of, the main material of this contact lens is Hema. And pag inopen po natin siya, actually ang pinaka duration of use nito is 1 year. So as you can see here, nandito yung contact lens. So this is OMG brown. So ayan, bubuksan natin siya. And inside the box, meron tayong contact lens case. Ayan. And then, the contact lenses. The 1 pair contact lens. Okay? So, ayan. Makikita natin dito yung details. Eyeshare. Ayan. Okay. So, I am now going to open this and I'll show you. But, hindi pa po natin siya pwedeng gamitin kasi natin siyang ibabad sa solution for 24 to 48 hours para comfortable siyang gamitin. So, I am now going to open. So, ayan. Just make sure, guys, na every time nagtitouch po kayo ng inyong contact lenses is your hands are clean, okay? So, ito po yung contact lens. So, gagamitin ko yung nandito sa case na pang tawag dito, pang pick up no contact lens. So, ito siya, guys. I'll show you. Ayan. So, yan. Okay. So, ayan. Ayan. It's the OMG brown. And according to kay seller, this is one of the natural brown. Simple lang siya. Pwede siyang from day-to-day use. Okay, and disclaimer lang, guys, this is not sponsored, and every time na sa mga baguhan or sa mga gustong gumamit or baguhan na gumamit ng contact lenses, hindi po natin pwedeng itulog yung lenses kasi yun yung cause or reason kung bakit nagkakaroon tayo ng problema sa ating eyes. May mga tendency na magkaroon tayo ng problema pag tinutulog natin siya. Pwede tayong magkaroon ng irritation, or pag matagal natin siyang tinulog, baka magkaroon tayo ng eye infection. Okay? Second, importante po talaga na every time na mag-open tayo ng bagong lenses, ibabad po natin siya sa solutions, and then everyday kailangan po nating palitan yung solutions natin para ma-save yung, ma-maintain natin yung softness. Kasi pag hindi natin siya nilagyan ng lenses, may tendency minsan na parang according nga kay seller and based on my experience, parang nagkakaroon siya ng crack. Yeah. Kaya, kailangan po nating ingatan yung ating mga contact lenses. Okay? So, that's all guys. Lahat po ng details ilalagay ko po sa description box. Pati yung links kung saan ko siya binili. Actually, binili ko siya sa TikTok shop sa eyeshare. I'll be back for the review kung how was the lenses, kung okay ba siya. So, I'll make another vlog for this. Okay? So, I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye! God bless.
You're like a circle.